Do you sometimes worry that you pronounce words incorrectly? English pronunciation can be really hard, especially when the word sounds completely different to how it's spelt. Unfortunately, English spelling does not always help you to know how to pronounce the word, and this can often lead to mistakes. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to go through 20 words that English learners often get wrong and demonstrate how to pronounce these words correctly. Let's get started. First up is the word comfortable. The mistake that people often make with this word is they give it too many syllables. For example, people might say comfortable. It doesn't help that the ending of the word has the word table inside, so it's quite a common mistake for people to say comfortable. However, listen to me and identify how many syllables it actually has. Comfortable, comfortable. It actually has 3 syllables. So repeat after me, comfortable. Nice. The next word is Wednesday. Again, the spelling of this word means that some people pronounce it Wednesday. But if you listen again and repeat after me, Wednesday, Wednesday. Only 2 syllables in this word, Wednesday. Next is February. Again, the spelling really doesn't help you here because many people look at this word and say February. However, listen to me and repeat, February, February. Well done. Another word that people usually give too many syllables to is chocolate. So a common mistake would be to say chocolate, chocolate. But listen to me, chocolate, chocolate. We only pronounce 2 syllables, chocolate. And notice how the final vowel sound in that word, it's not chocolate, it's chocolate. It's a weak sound, chocolate. Another word with a funny spelling is debt. There is a silent B in the spelling of this letter, but we do not pronounce it. We don't say debt, we say debt. Imagine the B is not there, it's completely silent. Debt, debt. Another word with a silent letter is cupboard, cupboard. You can see in the spelling of the word there is a P, but we do not say cupboard. That would be a very difficult word to say. So we drop the P and we just pronounce it cupboard, cupboard. Another word similar to comfortable is vegetable. Notice I don't say vegetable. It's not 4 syllables, it's only 3. Vegetable, vegetable. We're not saying veggie table, just like we don't say comfortable. It's vegetable, vegetable. Another word which is so difficult for many learners, genre. Now, the way it's spelt, often people say genre, but the first sound of that word is a j, genre, genre. If you find it difficult, try isolating the 2 syllables, genre, 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 genre. That method can help sometimes when you have a really tricky word to say. Isolate the syllables and say them individually, and then get faster and faster until you can say the word. Genre. Another word which many people hate, schedule. Schedule. The spelling of this word really does not help you with the pronunciation, but listen to me. Schedule. There's a schedule, schedule. Now you will hear some people say schedule. So instead of a sk, they say sh. Both pronunciations are fine, so you can choose which one you prefer. If you want to say schedule, that's fine, but I prefer schedule. Schedule. Next up, we have chaos. Even though we have a CH sound at the beginning, we don't say chaos. It's a k sound. Chaos. Chaos. Another word with a silent letter similar to debt, we have subtle. Notice there is a B in the word, but we do not pronounce that B sound. So imagine the B is not there. We say subtle, subtle. The next word is busy. Many people pronounce this word buzzy because they see the U letter, but that U is pronounced as an I, busy, busy. The S is also pronounced as a Z. So instead of saying bussy, you should say busy, busy. Next is a word that I used to struggle with when I was a child, breakfast. Because the first part of the word is spelt like the word break, a common mistake is to say breakfast, breakfast. But listen to me, breakfast. So the first part of the word has an E, brek. And then the second part of the word, because that syllable is not stressed, it has a weak sound. So it's not fast, it's fust. Listen, breakfast, breakfast. Next up is the word suit. The spelling of this word sometimes means people would pronounce suit because there's a U and an I, but it's an oo sound. Suit, suit. Notice the shape of my mouth when I make that oo sound. Suit, suit. Next is a word with our favourite type of spelling, O-U-G-H, cough, cough. Now that spelling is really tricky because you wouldn't look at the word and think it has a f sound, but that is how we pronounce it. So listen and repeat, cough, cough. The O-U-G-H sound is off, off, cough. Next, one of my favourite types of food, we have salmon. There is an L in salmon, but we don't really pronounce that L. A common mistake is to say salmon, but that is quite a difficult word to say, salmon. So to make it easier for us when we're speaking, we say salmon, salmon. We don't pronounce the L. Almost at the end of our list now, we have 3 more words. The next one is sweet, sweet. When you are talking about, for example, a suite at a hotel, not, oh, this chocolate is very sweet. So look at the spelling. It is actually pronounced in the exact same way as the word sweet that we use to describe food. So it's an E sound with a W, sweet, sweet. They are pronounced the same but spelt very differently. Next, another word with a silent letter, receipt. Notice the P in the spelling we do not pronounce. We don't say receipt. That would be quite difficult to say, but that is a common mistake because the P is there. Remember, it's silent. Listen and repeat. Receipt, receipt. Our final word is recipe, and this is a word people often mispronounce because they might look at the spelling and think it's recipe or recipe, but it needs 3 syllables. Recipe, recipe. Congratulations if you made it this far. You have now learnt the correct pronunciation of 20 difficult English words that people very often say incorrectly. Now, if you want to continue working on all aspects of your English, it's essential that you have a good daily routine, not just to practice pronunciation, but also to focus on speaking and listening and building vocabulary, improving grammar, as well as your reading and writing. If you don't already have a good, effective daily routine and you're looking for something easy to work into your busy life, then you should watch my video which gives you an easy daily routine that you can start doing right now, which is guaranteed to improve your English. The link for that video is in the description down below. Before you go and watch that, please do hit that subscribe button and like this video. And as always, I love hearing from you in the comments, so please let me know why you're learning English, which areas you want more help with, and I will be very happy to make a video just for you to help you improve. Thanks for joining me, everyone. See you soon. Goodbye.